So what did I say? During interphase, what happens? The cell prepares to divide. And how does the cell prepare to divide? It prepares to divide by duplication of chromosomes. So whatever number of chromosomes the cell has, it divides and makes same or equal copy of itself. Clear? And after the cell is copied, then it is time for the copied cells to go into the new daughter cells. So that happens in the next stage, which is called mitosis. Okay, so both interphase and mitosis comes under the cell cycle. In your book you will see that cell cycle has been mentioned after the mitosis. But preferably you should study first cell cycle and after that you should study about mitosis. So I will talk about cell cycle now. So what happens in cell cycle? There are two phases, interphase and mitosis. So interphase has three phases. G1, S and G2. Clear? So G stands for growth. So growth 1 and growth 2, two phases. And S stands for synthesis. Synthesis means there is synthesis of DNA or the chromosome duplicates. Alright. Now, what happens in the growth phase? During the growth phase, the cell prepares to synthesize DNA. So when the cell prepares to synthesize DNA, it needs some enzymes. So what happens in growth phase? Some proteins are synthesized. Proteins which act as enzymes. So proteins are synthesized. Next, if it is a plant cell, then chloroplast, then chloroplast, and if it is animal cell, only mitochondria will duplicate. So in growth phase, what happens? The cell prepares to enter into the synthesis phase. How? By preparing the necessary enzymes. Enzymes are nothing but proteins. Now, after synthesis phase, what happens? DNA duplicates. Now, next is G2 phase. What happens in G2 phase? The cell prepares again proteins or enzymes which are required for the mitosis phase. So, in G1 phase, basically, cell prepares proteins for duplication of DNA, and in G2 phase, cell prepares proteins for entering mitosis.